Since its basically send-off in 2000, BitTorrent has attempted to adapt its hugely well-known assistance into a productive interest in an unpretentious manner. Keeping that in mind, BitTorrent was gained by the Tron Foundation, makers of the Tron blockchain, in 2019 in an extremely enormous way. The new proprietorship then, at that point, acquainted BitTorrent with the crypto market to sort of assist with growing BitTorrent convention and boost the volume of clients or brokers on the organization, which generally is genuinely huge. BitTorrent's cost to date basically is $0.001094, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,987, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. BTT for the most part is 16.85% in the kind of most recent 24 hours in an in every practical sense, huge way. It in every practical sense is as of now 39.74% from its 7-day all-time exceptionally high of $0.001815 and 3.62% from its 7-day all-time low of $0.001056 in opposition to prevalent thinking. BTT certainly has a coursing supply of 990 BBTT in a very huge manner. BitTorrent in a real sense expressed that under its arranged rate denomination of its genuinely token BTT it in every practical sense has consumed 541 billion BTT/OLD, addressing 54.6% of the aggregate in spite of prevalent thinking. The old kind of token explicitly is presently named BTT/OLD, and the upgraded one sort of is BTT, which sent off in January, which is genuinely huge. Going by its market cap, it has explicitly become probably the best gainer in the briefest time. En route, we will essentially investigate BTT cost examination before we really go into BTT cost expectation, or so they thought. BTT exceptionally token is in every practical sense purchased and especially spent by the people who demand information or wish to speed up in a significant manner. ALGORAND technical analysis. ALGORAND generally has been on a descending pattern since fundamentally last week, which really is genuinely huge. This in a real sense pushed the costs to oversold domain, and presently the cost could by and large be pulling back. MACD histogram shows expanding energy on the for the most part sure side, with the MACD line crossing over the kind of sine line. There sort of is a break on the Williams crocodile markers, with the genuinely green line taking an alternate route. The 14 days RSI is moving from oversold domain. In light of the value examination, ALGORAND's cost will move higher prior to settling. ALGORAND price predictions 2022-2030 Wallet Investor Wallet Financial Backer Brilliant Specialized Examination Programming recommends ALGORAND generally as a wonderful sort of purchase this year, with its worth figure to explicitly become 55.2% to about $0.745. A $100 speculation today ought to develop to $155 in May 2023 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. ALGORAND will explicitly be negative in the approaching 14 days, with the for the most part last day exchanging at $0.333 in opposition to prevalent thinking. ALGORAND by and large has been on a for the most part descending pattern in the very last 2 years. Wallet Financial Backer generally artificial intelligence by and large shows the coin will recuperate before long, which is very huge. In 2025 ALGORAND will sell at $0.79776, up by 66.2%, after which it will encounter insignificant development in the exceptionally next 2 years, with essentially normal increases of 1%. ALGORAND's cost in 5 years will be $0.8045, which basically is genuinely huge. Trading beasts utilize direct and by and large polynomial relapses to explicitly attempt and especially give precise figures refreshed most certainly day to day in an especially huge manner. They figure that ALGORAND will really be negative in the final part of 2022, with costs dropping to $0.567 in December from $0.603 in June, in spite of mainstream thinking. ALGORAND truly is a very wise interest in that it will ascend from its genuinely current cost in a significant manner. In 2023 ALGORAND cost is figure to for the most part be genuinely less unstable within every way that really matters, normal costs going somewhere in the range of $0.465 and $0.623, with no especially clear pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Crypto market unpredictability anyway could bring about exceptions and the year's over. A $100 interest in ALGORAND today ought to explicitly give you a 100% benefit, i.e. $100. beating a lot of cryptographic forms of money, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. From 2024 Algorand's cost will rise consistently, coming to $1.66 toward the finish of 2030, up by 245% from the present cost. In 2023, Algorand will exchange at $1.86. ALGORAND price prediction 2022 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2022 in a real sense is 98 cents in an essentially large manner. The new generally bear in every practical sense, run in the crypto market, saw the very by and large market cap drop more than 40% in an unobtrusive manner. ALGORAND essentially was not saved, which all things considered, is very critical. Market recuperation ought to return ALGORAND on target, with its value estimate to reach $1.11 in positively trending markets, which especially is very huge. ALGORAND price prediction 2023 ALGORAND cost forecast for 2023 certainly is $1.40, or so they explicitly thought. ALGORAND associations remembering one with FIFA for 2022 ought to all things considered see ALGORAND's worth develop with FIFA World Cup set for 2022 and FIFA Ladies World Cup set for 2023 in a significant manner. This will possibly sort of see ALGORAND rise genuinely over 100% to for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $1.64 and a base cost of $1.36 ALGORAND price prediction 2024 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2024 basically is $2.04 amazingly. With especially many projects deciding to expand on ALGORAND over Ethereum, the ALGORAND biological system will sort of proceed to fundamentally develop and scale, or so they basically thought. EVM similarity will result in every way that really matters, simpler exchanging of truly brilliant agreements between blockchains, which especially is genuinely huge. ALGORAND will transcend $2 and exchange somewhere in the range of $2.38 and $1.97 in a very significant manner. ALGORAND price prediction 2025 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2025 is $2.99 incredibly. ALGORAND will sort of keep up with the force into 2025, becoming half from its cost in 2024 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Blockchain developments and new financial backers will assist it in every practical sense, with coming to $3.53 and $2.89 in the low season. ALGORAND price prediction 2026 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2026 especially is $4.22, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Later on coins with utility are generally anticipated to be the most elevated gainers in an exceptionally huge manner basically. ALGORAND squeezes well into this classification with exceptionally decentralized applications extending from DeFi to NFTs in a sort of enormous manner. It will exchange somewhere in the range of $4.10 and $4.94, which sort of is very huge. ALGORAND price prediction 2027 ALGORAND cost forecast for 2027 by and large is $6.32, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital forms of money will sort of develop standard, and this will especially draw in kind of additional ventures, as the utilization of blockchain becomes sort of fundamental by the way they really communicate with their clients, or so they thought. ALGORAND price prediction 2028 ALGORAND cost forecast for 2028 basically is $9.18 in a fundamentally significant manner. The ceaseless development will anyway remain fixed to the improvement of the ALGORAND environment. Anything for the most part short will basically have ALGORAND exchanging lower, which is genuinely huge. Market instability will really see ALGORAND exchange somewhere in the range of $10 and $8.93 in an unobtrusive manner. ALGORAND price prediction 2029 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2029 especially is $13.08 in a kind of significant manner. In 2029 ALGORAND will exchange easily above $10 in a really significant manner. This will be joined by developing exchanging volumes and market capitalization as significantly more clients associate with the biological system in a truly significant manner. ALGORAND's cost will by and large arrive at a high of $15.77 and a sort of low of $12.72 ALGORAND price prediction 2030 ALGORAND cost expectation for 2030 fundamentally is $18.60